Namaste, I'm Uma Dashruti, born and brought up in typical Orthodox family with values and principles enshrined in me. After completing my graduation in science, I have worked for visually challenged shelter homes and various NGOs associated with children with multiple disabilities. I have also associated myself with various schools in the capacity as a counselor in dealing with adolescents. I was fortunate for having rendered my services for the noble cause as I am married to an Indian Air Force officer and travelled extensively throughout the country. I am glad that I am connected with Samarth, which is doing yeoman service in providing care to the elderly. Counseling can help make it easier for the person who is experiencing negative emotional stress or difficulties in coping. My journey with Samarth started when the lockdown in the country commenced. Samarth is a beautiful support system for someone who is in need of a helping hand. I find the responsibility of care counselor as a volunteer very challenging, and as one comes across the various needs of the elderly such as physical and emotional support. Samarth is a wonderful platform for people who want to render selfless service to the senior citizens, as the saying goes that helping hands are better than praying lips. It gives me immense pleasure and satisfaction when I see a smile on the face of the elderly. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.